Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good to see you all after a day's gap. What were we doing, class? Beta, we were doing geography, we were doing history. What we were doing?
Ma'am, geography.
Ma'am, geography.
And geography.
Ma'am, geography.
So we'll continue with
Flow
geography.
charts.
We were doing
Yes, ma'am.
what we were doing flowcharts.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one?
Ma'am of Agriculture chapter.
Agriculture.
Can you show me which flowchart I have shared with you? Any one of you? Okay, who is sharing? Please show me which flowchart I have shared with you, class. Is anybody showing?
Ma'am, we have done major crops.
We have done.
Ma'am, we were doing plantation crops we will do.
Ma'am, I have sent on the group.
Okay, just a second. Let me check. Okay, geography, that means our agriculture chapter is over. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Question answers also discussed?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So that means we have to start with the new chapter of geography today with your class. In the other two sections, I have reached the half the chapter I have done.
Ma'am,
Fine.
we have also started.
We have started? No, I thought we have not started. So
Ma'am, we
No,
have
ma'am, we have started.
yes, Kavya?
Ma'am, we have started the chapter.
Okay. So flowcharts for this minerals and resources we have not done.
Ma'am, reading is going on. I have read half, little bit chapter was hidden. Right.
Okay, reading was going on.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So quickly your attendance, and then we start with the class. Do I need to share the screen with you for the chapter?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let me see how many have put fake attendance. Anand, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Vishesh Agarwal?
Yes.
Vishesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have Anya present in the class. Abhinav Pandey is there. Is Abhinav there? Agrim,
Present, ma'am.
Akansha Yadav. Okay, Anya is present. Beta, I hope you all are doing your written work.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
On the written work.
Okay, Akansha is not there. Aksada,
Present, ma'am.
Anamata,
Present, ma'am.
Anand Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
You took your classes yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Day before?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I'll be asking teachers, I should not get this complaint that Anand is not attending because Surbhi ma'am told me that you are not doing your classes. He specifically took some names that these children are not doing their classes. Then Ayush,
Present, ma'am.
Chirag is there in the class?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Deep Shikha,
Present, ma'am.
Devansh Patel, not there. Deep Shikha, sorry, Dhananjay,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Dhruv Sharma, Harshit Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Kapil Patel, not there. Kavya,
Present, ma'am.
then Khushbu Singh, Khushbu Singh, is not there. Kunal, not there. Mehak Yadav, Mehak, are you there? Malay, Beta, Malay and Swali are not there in the class. They have not attended any of the class today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday,
No, ma'am. They attended.
Ma'am,
Yes,
they
sir.
attended some of the class today.
Today they attended some of the classes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Faiz, Mohammed Faiz,
Present, ma'am.
Haseen,
Present, ma'am.
Nikhil Nehra,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanshu Singh, Ramsha,
Present, ma'am.
Sania Khan. Is Sania attending her classes?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Why Ramsha? Not well?
Yes, ma'am. She's not well.
Okay. Shreya,
Present, ma'am.
Swali, Vivan, Vivan Patel, बेटा आयुष आप क्लास में हो?
Yes, ma'am.
अपना कैमरा ऑन करके दिखा देंगे एक बार? ओके फाइन. हर्षित,
Yes, ma'am.
कैमरा ऑन करो.
Ma'am, have you marked my present?
हाँ निखिल, आई हैव मार्क्ड यू प्रेजेंट. हर्षित, कैमरा ऑन करो बेटा.
Ma'am, कर लिया.
बुक दिखाओ. हर्षित, बुक दिखाओ, कहाँ है आपकी बेटा?
अभी दिखा रहे.
ओके. आनंद, आप भी कैमरा ऑन करो बेटा. ठीक है. बट दिस इज आई बिलीव रिफ्रेशर, नॉट द बुक. इज दिस द बुक?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. In the next class that we will be having on Monday, you all are going to show me your notebooks, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, which
History,
subject?
civics? हाँ, हसीम बता क्या कह रहे हो बेटा?
Ma'am, which subject means history,
History,
geography, or
civics,
civics?
geography. History, civics, geography. All the 3 notebooks I would like to see.
All 3.
हाँ,
Okay.
fine. Okay. Do we
Okay,
have
ma'am.
Ivan? Do we have Ivan in the class?
Ma'am,
Yes, बेटा.
ma'am, we have to also submit the notebook.
क्या चीज बेटा?
Ma'am, we have to submit notebooks also in
हाँ जी
school.
बेटा, आपको नोटबुक सबमिट भी करनी होगी और मंडे को आपको हमें दिखानी भी होगी आपने कितना काम कर लिया है.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी
ma'am, I'm not in Bareilly, ma'am. So how will I will submit?
बेटा, वो आप
अभी
देखें.
जुलाई के स्टार्टिंग में होगा.
वो आप देखो,
Submission.
जुलाई में देना होगा आपको नोटबुक. ठीक है. यू स्टिल
Yes,
हैव
ma'am.
10 days विद यू. 10 days हैं आपके पास. आपने काम अगर कंप्लीट नहीं करा है कर लीजिए. ठीक है. चलो. फाइन. सो वेयर वर वी रीडिंग? कैन यू टेल अनमता?
Ma'am, all the flowcharts we have to make in fair notebook.
Yes, beta. All these flowcharts you are supposed to make in your notebooks. Shall I share the flowcharts for this chapter also with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Shall we do it
Yes,
today?
Ma'am, not today, please.
Okay, fine. I don't mind. Chaliye. You want me to share the book also?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Hanji, which page we were reading? Class? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Which page we
Yes,
were?
ma'am.
On which page we were?
Ma'am, on page number 52.
Page
52.
52. Mining hazards we have not done, right? The here we were reading here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye, read. Okay, I think this India is fortunate to have fairly rich and varied mineral resources. I explained you about this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
we have to
ma'am.
read from here.
Yes, ma'am.
Anya, Anya, can you read? Anya, can you hear me? Kapil Patel,
Yes, ma'am.
beta read.
Yes, from reading.
Ah.
Ma'am, from certain.
Nahi, let us now study the distribution.
Let Let us now study the distribution of a few major minerals in India. Always remember that the construction of mineral in the ore.
Concentration. Beta concentration.
Ma'am, I cannot see properly.
बेटा आराम से तो दिख रहा है screen
Okay.
पे।
1 minute. Of mineral in the ore, the ease of extraction of closeness of to the market play an important role in affecting the economic viability of a thus to meet the demand a choice has to be made between a number of possible options. When this is done,
Yes.
various minerals account for about 3/4 of the total value of production of metallic minerals. They provide a strong base for a development of metallurgical industries. India qualities of various minerals after meeting her internal demands.
ठीक है. Iron ore. Can we have Mehak reading? Mehak. Deepshikha.
Yes, ma'am.
Read beta.
Ma'am, iron ore.
Yes.
Iron ore is the basic mineral and the backbone of industrial development. India is endowed with fairly abundant resources of iron ore. India is rich in good quality iron ores. Magnetic is the first
Magnetite.
iron ore.
Magnetite. Beta, it is magnetite is the finest.
very high content of iron up to 70%. It has excellent magnet qualities, especially valuable in the electrical industry.
Okay,
Hematite
wait. Malay, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Swali,
Yes, ma'am.
you did not mark your attendance in the class group? Huh? Swali,
Ma'am, there is a clock.
what?
Ma'am, clock symbol is there. Ma'am, it's going. Network issue.
It is 10 o'clock right now. Your class started at 9:45. Are you not aware of the timetable? Are you not aware of the timings?
Ma'am, actually, I put there, but it is showing clock over there.
बेटा मुझे अटेंडेंस मिल गई आपकी, बट वो आपकी अटेंडेंस 10:07 पे आई है जब मैंने आपको मैसेज करा है ज्वाइन द क्लास. Why the teacher has to personally message you people to join the class? Is it required when you know that the classes are going on? Is it my responsibility to remind you of the class?
No, ma'am.
Then Abhinav Pandey?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा कितना टाइम पे क्लास स्टार्ट होती है आपकी ये?
मैम 9:45 मैम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होती है मैम क्लास ज्वाइन हो रही थी मैम बार-बार कोशिश कर रहा था
बेटा
मैम व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज भी नहीं आ रहा था. यस मैम.
आपकी क्लासेस वैसे भी रेगुलर नहीं हो रही हैं बच्चे बिल्कुल भी. You need to be regular with the classes. I told you earlier also.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. Can we have Ramsha reading iron ore again?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Iron ore is the basic mineral and the backbone of field development. India is endowed with very abundant resources of iron ore. India is rich in good quality iron ores. Magnetite is the finest iron ore with a very high content of iron up to 70%. It has excellent magnetic qualities, especially valuable in the electrical industry. Hematite ore is the most important industrial iron ore in the terms of the quantity used, but has a slightly lower iron content than magnetite.
Fine. See, we all know that iron is something that is considered as the backbone of the industries. Reason being, maximum of the iron is used in making machines and for several other byproducts that are made. So for everything, we require iron ore. That is why it is considered as the basic mineral and the backbone of the industries, right? Then they have told you about the variety of iron ore that are available in the country. Which one is the finest? Which is the finest of iron ore?
Magnetite.
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 Yes. Which is the which iron ore has 50 to 60% of iron content in it?
Hematite.
Hematite.
Very good.
Hematite.
So these kind of questions may come and you need to remember also. Chaliye. Can we have Agrim reading next? Do you know? From do you know?
Okay, ma'am. Kudre in Kannada means horse. The highest peak in the western Ghats of Karnataka resembles the face of a horse. The Bailadila hills look like the hump of an ox, and hence its name. The major iron ore belts in India are Odisha Jharkhand belt. In Odisha, high grade hematite ore is found in Badam
Badam.
Pahad, Badam
Badam
Pahad mines
Mayurbhanj.
in the Mayurbhanj and Kendujhar
Jhar.
districts. In the adjoining Singhbhum district of Jharkhand, hematite iron ore is mined in Gua and Noamundi.
Naundi.
Naumundi. Uh, Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt lies in Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. Very high grade hematites are found in the famous Bailadila range of hills in the Bastar district of Chhattisgarh. The range of hills comprise of 14 deposits of super high grade hematite iron ore. It has the best physical properties needed for steel making. Iron ore from these mines is exported to Japan and South Korea via Visakhapatnam port. Ballari, Chitradurga,
Bileri. Bilab, it is Bileri, Chitradurga, Chikmagalur, Tumkur belt in Karnataka.
Bellary, Chitradurga, Chikmagalur, Tumkuru belt in Karnataka has large reserves of iron ore. The Kudremukh mines located in the western Ghats of Karnataka are a 100% export unit. Kudremukh deposits are known to be one of the largest in the world. The ore is transported as slurry through a pipeline to a port near Mangaluru. Maharashtra Goa belt includes the state of Goa and Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra. Though the ores are not of very high quality, yet they are efficiently exploited. Iron ore is exported through Marmagao port.
Anything is to be explained, class? You need to
No.
remember. You need to remember the regions, the areas where the iron ore is found or where we have the iron ore deposits, right? Chaliye. Can we have Harshit reading? Harshit, are you there?
I'm here now.
He's not there. Faz, read.
Ma'am, from manganese.
Yes.
Manganese. Manganese is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel and ferromanganese alloy. Nearly 10 kg of manganese is required to manufacture 1 ton of steel. It is also used in manufacturing bleaching powder, insecticides, and paints.
Yes.
Ma'am, the whole paragraph is done. You need to follow.
Read.
Odisha is the largest producer of manganese ores in India. It announced for 1/3 of country's total production in 2001. Ma'am, this also dig a little deeper.
No. Next, non-ferrous minerals.
Non-ferrous minerals. India reserves and production of non-ferrous minerals is not very satisfactory. However, these minerals, which include copper, bauxite, lead, zinc, and gold, play a vital role in a number of metallurgical, engineering, and electrical industries. Let us study the distribution of copper and bauxite.
Okay, next. Carry on. Copper.
Copper. India is critically deficient in the reserve and production of copper. Being malleable, ductile, and good conductor, copper is mainly used in electrical cables, electronics, and chemical industries. The Balaghat mines in Madhwa, Madhya Pradesh produce 52% of India's. Ma'am, please call up. 52% of India's copper. The Singhbhum district of Jharkhand is also a leading producer of copper. The Khetri mines in Rajasthan are also famous. Ma'am?
Read.
Ma'am, from like aluminium or there's another paragraph?
No, aluminum only.
Ma'am, it's not visible. Now it's
Wait. Showing. Read.
bauxite.
कहाँ पे है? Bauxite कहाँ पे गया बेटा? Read. Bauxite.
Bauxite through several ores contain aluminium. It is from bauxite, a clay-like substance that alumina and later aluminium is obtained. Bauxite deposits are formed by the decomposition of a wide variety of rocks rich in aluminium silicates.
Now read.
Aluminium is an important metal because it combines the strength of metals such as iron with extreme lightness and also with good conductivity and great malleability.
Okay, next.
India's bauxite deposits are mainly found in the Amarkantak Plateau, Michael Hills, and the plateau region of Bilaspur Katni. Odisha is the largest bauxite producing state in India with 45% of country's total population in 2001. Panchpatmali deposits in Koraput districts are the most important bauxite deposits in the state. Ma'am, the paragraph is done.
Next. Interesting fact. Wait. Let Shreya read this. Shreya, read.
Ma'am. Ma'am, what is the syllabus of UT1?
Beta, Shreya, read out.
Yes, ma'am. After the discovery of aluminium, Emperor Napoleon III wore buttons and hooks on his clothes made of aluminium and served food to his more illustrious guests in aluminium utensils, and the less honorable ones were served in gold and silver utensils. 30 years after this incident, aluminium bowls were most common with the beggars in Paris.
Okay, carry on.
Non-metallic minerals. Mica is a mineral. Mica is a mineral made up of a series of...
Beta, Shreya, mica.
Okay, ma'am. Mica is a mineral made up of a series of plates or leaves. It's split easily into a thin sheets. These sheets can be so thin that 1,000 can be layered into a mica sheet of a few centimeters high. Mica can be clear, black, green, and red, yellow, or brown. Due to its excellent dielectric strength, low power loss factor, insulating properties, and resistance to high voltage, mica properties and resistance. Mica is one of the most indispensable minerals used in electric and electronic industries. Mica deposits are found in the northern edge of the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Kodrima, Gaya, Harrisburg belt of Jharkhand is the leading producer. In Rajasthan, the major mica producing areas is around Ajmer. Nalgor mica belt of Andhra Pradesh is also an important producer in the country.
Rock minerals.
Rock minerals. Limestone is found in association with rocks composed of calcium carbonates or calcium and magnesium carbonates. It is found in sedimentary rocks of the most geological formation. Limestone is the basic raw material for the cement industry and essential for smelting iron ore in the blast furnace.
Okay. Hazards of mining.
Hazards of mining. Have you ever wondered about the efforts the miners make in making life comfortable for you? What are the impacts of mining on the health of the miners and the environment? The dust and nitrous fumes inhaled by minerals make them vulnerable to pulmonary diseases. The risk of collapsing mine roofs, in inundation, and fires of coal mines are a constant threat to miners. The water sources in the region get contaminated due to mining. Dumping of waste and slurry leads to degradation of land, soil, and increase in stream and river pollution.
Yes. See, hazards of mining. Mining, we all know that most of the minerals that we have, they are extracted through mining, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you think that this mining is very hazardous for the environment? Can you tell why? What could be the reasons?
Ma'am, soil erosion.
Okay, so because it damages
Soil
the,
degradation.
land degradation, and it damages the soil quality as well, right? Okay, what else?
Yeah, and air pollution also.
Huh?
Air pollution.
Air pollution, okay, very good. What else?
River pollution.
See, the most important of the pollution that is caused by the mining is the degradation of the land, or the soil quality is degraded. And yes, of course, air pollution is also created because of the smoke that is released. Now see, talking about the coal mines that we have, how these coal mines are hazardous, do you know? Have you ever come across
Yes.
any incident? Tell Ayush.
Ma'am, it can cause destruction.
What kind of destruction it can cause?
Ma'am, it can catch fire easily.
Okay, so if it catches fire easily, then how it is harmful for us?
Ma'am, many workers will die.
Huh?
Ma'am, many workers will die.
But have you heard of people dying in the coal mines due to fire in the coal mines? Have you heard of this?
Ma'am, you told us in class 8.
I told you, no?
No, ma'am.
Yes, of course I told you. I do remember that. That is why I'm asking you. See, there have been several incidents where, where in coal mines, because of the fire in coal mines, people died. Not because they were stuck in fire, only because
Ma'am,
of,
sometimes because of earthquake also, ma'am.
हाँ, रूफ आपका जो कोल माइन की जो रूफ्स होती हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ द लैंडस्लाइडिंग एंड ऑल, ये गिर जाती है, कोलैप्स कर जाती है नीचे, इसकी वजह से भी लोग मर जाते हैं. बट मैक्सिमम केसेस में ये देखा गया है बच्चे कि जब कोल माइंस में आग लग जाती है तो जो फ्यूम रिलीज होता है, जो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड जो आती है, उसकी वजह से, सफोकेशन की वजह से मेनी ऑफ द पीपल डाई. 1970s और 80s में ऐसे बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स हुए थे. अगर आप गूगल पे सर्च करोगे, यू विल कम टू नो कि बहुत सारे ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स हुए थे जहां पे बहुत सारे जो कोल माइनर्स थे, दे डाइड नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द फायर, दे वर स्टक इन फायर ओनली बिकॉज of the suffocation that was created by the release of the smoke, the carbon monoxide that was released by burning of the coal. That smoke made them suffocate, and many of them, they died there only. Because if you have you ever seen a coal mine? Have you ever seen, class?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
See, they are dug. Yes, beta, they are dug deep inside, and they are narrow. They are inside. They are very much into the depth. That is why it is not easy to escape from there. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, this topic is important because you get several questions which are based on the hazards of mining.